Good morning all. We are continuing our session. Yesterday we have learned how to find greatest or smallest number. And by looking into the number of digits, we can determine the greatest and smallest number. So in the case of 92, there is only 2 digits, and in the case of 392, there is only 3 digits. In the case of 4456, there is only 4 digits, and for the case of 89,742, we have 5 digits. So the number of digits is higher for 89,742. So we can say that 89,742 is the greatest number, and the number of digits is smaller for 92. So we can say that 92 is the smallest. And also we have learned this problem yesterday. Here the first number is 4 digit, second number is 1 digit, and third number is 2 digit, and the fourth number is 3 digit. So 4 digit number is the greatest, and 1 digit number is the smallest. Now what happens when the number of digits becomes same? See, in this 4 number we have 4 digits. Then how will you check the greatest or smallest number? So here we have a method, and the method is check the value of the digit at thousands place. Yesterday we have learned place values. For example, 5, 8, 7, 2, and 2 stands at the place ones, 7 at tens, 8 at 100, and 5 at 1000. So if you have one more number, suppose 6, it places at 10,000 value. So yesterday we have learned place values. So in the case of 4 numbers, we have 4 digits, and check each thousands place value. For the first number we have 5. We have 5, and for the second number we have 4, the thousands place value, and the third number we have 6, and in the fourth number we have 8. So we check for the first digit from the left side. These are all first digit from the left side. So we have checking all this, and here 8 is larger, right? So since 8 is the greatest number, 8742 is the greatest among this, and here 4 is the smallest. Here 4 is the smallest. Therefore 4592 is the smallest number. This is how we are checking greatest and smallest number when we have equal digits. In this question we have 4 digit number, and first of all we are checking the first number from our left, and in these 4 numbers we have 5, 4, 6, 8, and the greatest among them is 8. So the greatest number is 8742, and the smallest among them is 4592. Now I will move on to the next problem. we have to find the greatest and smallest number. Try to find this. Here all the numbers are 5 digit, right? Here all the numbers are 5 digit, and we have to check the value of digit at 10,000th place because it is 5 digit number. So the first number from the left side. So the first number from the left side, this is at 10,000th place value. So checking first digit, which will be the greatest number. Of course, 7 is the greatest number. And which will be the smallest one? 2, 1. Ah, yes, here. 1 is the smallest one. So we can say that the greatest number is 75,245 and 14,742 is the smallest number. Okay. Now we have to find the greatest and smallest number among this. There are 4 numbers given: 7,425, 7,592, 1,245 and 742. Since it is 3 digit number, it will not be the greatest one because we have 4 digit number here. Take this 3 number and we have to check the value of digit at thousands place because it is 4 digit. Thousands place, we have here 7, here also 7, here is 1 and here is 0 because 742 can be written as 0742. It is a 3 digit number, so the thousands place value is 0. So here are 2 numbers with the greatest number 7. Thousands place values holds 7 for these 2 numbers. So since thousands place value for 7,425 and 7,592, the place value is 7 for these 2 numbers. So both are same. So since these 2 numbers thousands place values are same, we are checking for hundreds place value of these 2 numbers. Hundreds place value. So now these are the numbers we have. Now check for hundreds place value. Here 4, here 5. So which will be the greatest? Here 5 is the greatest. The greatest thousands place value and hundreds place value. Once more I will say, here we have 4 numbers. One is 3 digit and the other 3 is 4 digit number. I am writing thousands place value of each number. Here it is 7, here it is also 7, here it is 1, here it is 0 because we have to make 4 digit. Okay. So the smallest number will be the 0, 1 because 0 is the smallest number. So 742 is the smallest. And coming into the greatest number, we have 2, 7. Okay, we have 2, 7. Since the thousands place value of these 2 numbers are same, we are going to check the hundreds place value. And for the first number it is 4 and for the second number it is 5. Now check 75 will be the greatest number. So 7592 is the greatest number. I hope you understood. Now we have another problem. First we are checking 10,000's place value 1, 1, 1 and here 1. And since the four numbers have equal 10,000's place value, we are checking next number 1, 0, 1, 0. So in order to find greatest number, so we have two numbers with 11. Okay, so take these numbers, because these two numbers will not be the greatest number, because the thousands place value is 0, which is less than 1. For this both number we have thousands place value 1. So go for the hundredth place value. Here the hundredth place value is 2 and here it is 1. Here it is 2, here it is 1. So this number will be the greatest number, since 2 is the greatest number. Here four numbers are 5 digits, right? And we are checking the first digit from the left side, that is we are checking first digit 1, 1, 1, 1. So both all are same. So since 10,000's values is same, we are checking for thousands place value, and thousand place value we have 1, 0, 1, 0. So these two numbers are greater, and we just cancel these two numbers. Now we have to check first number and the third number. So since thousands place value of these two numbers are same, since thousands place value are same, we are checking for 100 place value. For the first number it is 2 and for the third number it is 1. So the greatest among this is this, because 2 is larger than 1. So 11,254 is the greatest number. Okay. Now we are going to find the smallest number among these. So first check the 10,000's place value, or the first digit from our left side, and in this condition we have 1 for the four numbers. Here our numbers are 1, and since all are same, we are taking next number 1, 0, 1, 0. We have to find the smallest number, so just cancel this greatest. So since it is 1, 1, these are not necessary. We have two zeros here, and since thousands place value also same for this two number, check for the third number 5. Here it is 2. So 5, 2. 2 is the smallest. So this is the smallest number. $10,254 will be the smallest number.